Tapos, dalawa siya, yung kausap niya, ang mundo parang gano'n sa akin, may nakabang mag-isip. Bali yun eh. Ang unang nataan ito, sabi nung yung upang niya, hindi na kumakaan ng baliwag. Noong una, hindi na pagsakan. Sabi nga niya, galit siya. Kasi may susuwa ng loob doon eh. Ito si Pogi, kaya po yung man. Yung mga bakit, ayun siya talaga sa akin. Kaya, ito si Pogi.
You know what the admin did to us? Look at this. Huh? They all trapped us in one place. Inside here. He literally trapped us all here. Runny, runny, run! Runny, runny, run! Runny, runny, run! Runny, runny, run!
I fall down!
Gusto sabihin na lumalabas na ito kasi tama yung tama ito, diba? Tama niya, sadili-sadili, pero
I'm above the spawn! Hide and seek, come and find me!
Where are you? One second.
Hint, I'm near the spawn but outside.
Kaya nga kami po namin wala.
Bro, be careful at the top. There's someone at the top. Where are you?
I'm a morph. And I'm in the spawn. The admin is really abusing.
The admin is abusing us.
Yeah, I just show. I'm recording. I've been recording all this time. This is where he trapped us.
If you don't have your
Yung tagdiban din yun. Tapos si Pogi na ang sumibol na. Nakatang Pogi na yung pato pa niya.
Winning 5.
Yung take. Yung bagay siya. Pogi. Yung isa sa mga
What are you? What are you? Tingnan ko tayo, ipapag yun si Kumitin doon. I'm sure they have it. I'm sure they will. They pull up this one. Oh, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Oh, don't touch it. Play. Huwag mo ano, kailangan ito nangyayari dito. Bakit ito maraming si Dennis Moore, ito po yung tao na hindi siya pelikula na
Girl, where are you?
I'm on the lobby. Where are you? I got crashed by golden cheese cookies when I teleport to a cookie plaza.
Who should it be? Candy apple cookie or black sapphire cookie?
Where are you?
Let's play hide and seek. Come and find me. Hint, I am literally with candy apple.
Keep finding candy apple. I will find there's something so funny now. The oxygen is coming now. Is candy apple epic or something? Is candy apple epic or not?
I don't know.
Maybe she's
You cannot find me.
What you say?
You cannot find me.
What you say?